Remember how we covered what parallelism is and the mistakes to avoid? Now, let's unlock how to get it right. To achieve parallelism, proofreaders and editors can apply the 3 R's: reduce, replace, and rephrase. First, we can reduce. Over-reliance on parallel structure can strip away variety, making the writing dull and predictable. Mixing up sentence structures keeps your writing lively and your readers engaged. For example, when parallelism is overused, writing can become a little bit monotonous. Consider the sentence: she likes reading books, watching movies, and listening to music. While grammatically correct, the repetitive pattern of similar phrases makes it sound flat and predictable. In contrast, using varied sentence structures makes writing more lively and engaging. For instance, she likes to read books in her free time. Movies are her weekend treat, and whenever possible, she unwinds with some music. By mixing sentence types and rhythms, this version breaks the repetitive pattern and keeps the reader's interest. Replace. Replacing rigid patterns with varied expressions can make your writing sound more natural and engaging. For example, overusing parallel structure can make writing feel mechanical. Take this sentence: the editor checks for grammar errors, fixes punctuation mistakes, and corrects spelling errors. Although it's correct, the structure feels repetitive and lacks flow. Now, let's replace it with something more dynamic. The editor polishes grammar, tidies up punctuation, and makes sure every word is spelled correctly. By using different expressions and breaking the pattern, the sentence feels more conversational and engaging. Rephrase. Sometimes achieving parallelism requires restructuring the sentence to ensure grammatical and stylistic consistency across all elements. Let's look at this example. This dissertation investigates the impact of social media on consumer behavior, examining trends in online purchasing, and how digital influences are affecting brand loyalty. At first glance, it may seem fine, but if you look closely, the structure is inconsistent. Investigates is the main verb. Examining is a present participle. How digital influences are affecting is a subordinate clause with a different verb structure altogether. These inconsistencies disrupt the flow and make the sentence feel unbalanced. Parallelism requires that when listing ideas, all elements follow the same grammatical pattern for clarity and smoothness. Here's the revised version. This dissertation investigates the impact of social media on consumer behavior, examines trends in online purchasing, and analyzes how digital influences affect brand loyalty. Now, each verb investigates, examines, and analyzes follows the same structure, making the sentence flow naturally and sound polished. Mastering parallelism is key to writing that's clear, polished, and professional. By applying the 3 R's, proofreaders and editors can ensure sentences are not only grammatically correct, but also dynamic and engaging. Remember, while parallel structure adds clarity, variety keeps your writing alive. Thanks for watching. For more tips on proofreading and editing, follow us on all our social media. To know more about what we do, visit our website anytime. And for in-depth guides on proofreading and editing, don't forget to check out our bookstore.